Have you ever thought about starting a business that could grow beyond Nigeria? Food exportation might be just your answer. Yes. Think about it. The demand for Nigerian food abroad is booming, with millions of Nigerians and Africans living overseas craving a taste of home. Yams, fried fish, pepper, they are not just food, they are a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Today I'm going to break this down for you step by step. By the end of this video, you will not only know how to start, but you also discover the most profitable food to export. Can you guess what it might be? Stick around to find out. Let's start with what to export. The first step is identifying profitable products. Not everything sells well abroad, so you have to do your research. And here are some hot examples. There is yam. Nigerians in the diaspora can't get enough of this. Countries like the US, UK, and Canada export yams regularly. Then there is dried fish and crayfish. They are in high demand for soups and stews. Did you know that you can sell crayfish for nearly twice its price abroad? Yes. Now there's also pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper and dry chili are essential for many African dishes. There's also egusi and ogbono. These seeds are like gold in African stores overseas. Now ask yourself, which of these do you think would be the easiest to source in your area? Let me know in the comments. Now, exporting isn't as simple as picking yams in a bag or packing yams or crayfish in a bag and shipping them. You need to meet international standards, okay? First of all, quality assurance. Your products must be fresh, clean, and free from pests. In fact, very dried. And then for some countries, you might need certification and all of that. And then there's also food safety practices. You need to also find out how you package these items and what each country wants, the standards of each country, what items can be shipped to which country, and which items are contraband in which country. So you want to do your thorough research on this. So here is a tip: always check the requirements for your target country. So if your target country is US, do your research on that before you start exporting, right? I know it would be frustrating if you have your goods rejected because of a simple mistake. So do your thorough research. Now the next step would be packaging. Packaging can make or break your business. Think about it this way: customers abroad are paying premium prices, so your products must look attractive and professional. So when packaging, now you should use vacuum sealed bags for dried fish or egusi to maintain freshness. For yam, use cartons with proper ventilation, okay? And then the shipping options, you can research reliable freight forwarders. Some specialize in exporting African goods, and they handle everything from custom to delivery. And then the cost of this shipping depends on so many things. Shipping costs can be high because of some factors. It could be for posting, it could be due to distance. So a good tip would be to ship in bulk so you save cost. So let me ask you, would you prefer to manage the shipping yourself or to hire a company to handle it for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Okay, so it's time to answer the big question: what's the most profitable Nigerian food to export in 2025? Drum roll. Yes, dried crayfish. Here's why. Crayfish is lightweight, so shipping costs are lower. It has a long shelf life, and the demand is insane because it's used in almost every African dish. So imagine buying a bag of crayfish for 30,000 naira in Nigeria and selling it for over 150,000 naira abroad. Crazy, right? That's how much money you can make from food exportation. Finally, you need to get buyers, and this can be tricky, but it's totally doable. if you know where to look. First, African stores abroad. These stores are always looking for a steady supply of Nigerian products. And then second, online platforms, websites like Alibaba or even Facebook groups can connect you to buyers. Instagram is also there, TikTok is also there. And then you can go for trade shows, or you can just basically network. You can attend export related events to meet potential buyers. So basically, remember that building trust is key. So when you have gotten someone who trusts you enough, you're good. In fact, you do not need so many customers. You do not need so many people to supply to. When you're supplying to 2, 3, 4, 5 persons, 5 persons is enough to make you that sweet money. Okay, so provide samples if needed, and make sure you deliver on time so that trust can be built over time. So which of these methods would you try out first to find customers? Let me know in the comments. So if you have made it this far, you are serious about food exportation, but I get it, okay? Starting can feel overwhelming. That is why I've created an ebook that breaks down everything we've talked about today and more. It includes a step-by-step guide, contact details for freight companies, and tips on finding buyers. So if you are ready to dive in and make 2025 your year, click on the link in my description and download the ebook right now to get started. So there you have it. Food exportation is a gold mine for Nigerians in 2025. And now is the time to act. Now is the time to start. Okay? Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. But with consistency and the right strategy, you can build a thriving exportation business. Let me know in the comments which food you would consider exporting and why. Do not forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more beautiful money making tips. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.